of heat from one place to the other place. These are conduction, convection, and radiation. Let us perform an experiment. Take a metal rod, hold one end and heat the other end. In the beginning, the end of the rod in the hand is not hot. However, very soon we find that the end becomes hot and we are not able to hold the rod any longer. It means that some heat has been transferred. The process by means of which heat is transferred in a solid body from one part to the other is known as conduction. Conduction happens mainly in solid. Note that conduction is not possible in vacuum. Remember that there are two important conditions for heat to be conducted from one body to another. These are: the two objects should be in contact and their temperatures should be different. The process by which heat is transmitted through a substance from one point to another due to the actual bodily movement of the heated particles of the substance is called convection. Convection of heat takes place in fluids, that is, liquids and gases, and involves the movement of matter from hot regions to cooler regions. In convection, heat is carried by moving gases like air and by moving liquids like water. A movement of air which carries heat from a warmer place to a cooler place is called convection current. There is a third way by which heat can be transferred from a hot body to a cooler one. This mode of transfer is called radiation, and it does not need any medium between the two bodies. All hot bodies radiate heat. The hot objects radiate heat rays to the surroundings. Heat from the sun comes to us by radiation. It travels through millions of kilometers of space to reach the earth. When this heat falls on some object, a part of it is reflected, a part is absorbed, and a part may be transmitted. The temperature of the object increases due to the absorbed part of the heat. A cloudy night is hotter than a clear night. When the sky is clear, the heat radiation goes into the atmosphere, but due to the presence of clouds in the sky, these thermal radiations are reflected back to the earth and one feels warmer. Breeze is caused due to difference in heating. Let us see the cause for land breeze and sea breeze. During the day, land gets heated more than the sea water. Hot air above the land rises up, and therefore the cold air from the seaside moves towards the beach. This is sea breeze. At night it is exactly the reverse. The water cools down more slowly than the land, so the cool air from the land moves towards the sea. This is called the land breeze. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. There are three ways in which heat can flow from one body to another. These are conduction, convection, and radiation. In solids, generally the heat is transferred by conduction. In liquids and gases, the heat is transferred by convection. No medium is required for transfer of heat by radiation.